Hey YouTube, it's Plurality here. Again, I'm just going to post a short video on how there's a thing called the plurality of worlds, and it's basically that due to logic and advances in modern science, that there are other worlds besides our own that exist and that are inhabited in other beings. It follows a stream of logic that uh, that looks at our own place in the world and how we came to be, a spontaneous life to exist. And so, following that logic, there must be other worlds similar to our own that exist with similar beings, maybe even philosophers, which this mode of thought comes from. It comes from philosophy that exist. So the plurality of worlds might actually be a thing. I'm just throwing that out there because logic is, especially like simple logic, would just immediately state that there are other worlds out there and that the same laws that affect this world might affect theirs, or do affect theirs, because they exist in sort of the same state as we do. Although we're not connected with each other, we're still in the same state. So, laws of physics, evolution, uh, social cohesion, things like that must also be affecting these worlds that are outside of our own, which is pretty cool because that means that there's like someone else out there who thinks, or not someone else, some sort of creature that thinks that the same thing that I think, probably in a different form of speaking, or in a different form of, or in a different form altogether. But they probably think the same thing I do right now at this present moment. That there's other beings out there, although there's no actual proof. Although you could debate that because of like the Roswell incident and the moon landing and some other things. But it basically states that we're all part of these worlds that all coexist inside the same universe. Alright, that's all. Thanks, YouTube. Frizzly.